This is Todd from MarineMax in Panama City Beach. This 2013 Grady-White 360 Express was traded in on, you guessed it, a brand new Grady-White. The owner was doing a lot of fishing, wasn't using the camera, so he traded it in on a brand new Grady-White 376 center console. The boat's powered with three 300 Yamahas for the ultimate in dependability. It also will run just about 50 miles an hour with this power. This boat is really well equipped, including a bow thruster to make docking a breeze, a huge bait well to keep your bait alive and kicking all day long, and this refrigerated fish box so you don't have to haul or buy 100 pounds of ice to keep your catch cold. Even if you don't fish, the reliability and speed of the 300 Yamaha package and the comfort of this boat make it a great cruising boat. So come on down to MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Check out this 2013 Grady-White 360 Express.